Our Jamaican small business sector makes up 93% of the private sector. A sector in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry that can benefit small business owners in Jamaica is the micro, small and medium enterprise MSME sector is a priority program within the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries and remains a priority for the Government of Jamaica. If you are a small business owner, a shopkeeper, a store vendor, a hairdresser or dressmaker, there are government initiatives available to help you in your businesses. Here are some national initiatives to support micro, small and medium business enterprises. We have already missed out on some such as the IDB Credit Enhancement Program and the Jamaica Access to Finance Program for MSMEs. Here are some others that are still available. 1. Jamaica Business Development Corporation. JBDC. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, is a government organization that helps small businesses in Jamaica. They provide advice, financial services, and support for entrepreneurs to bring their ideas to market. JBDC also has an incubator program for creating and selling innovative products under the Things Jamaica brand, promoting sustainable growth. 2. Best company to get a loan as micro, small or medium business is Access Financial Services. 3. Agricultural loan for farmers. The Jamaica National Small Business Agricultural Loans are designed to provide assistance to micro-entrepreneurs and SMEs to upgrade their farm equipment, purchase seeds, fertilizers, improve operations, or purchase a farm vehicle. 4. BizBoost Loan. The Jamaica National Small Business Loan, the JNSBL, BizBoost loans are designed for SMEs engaged in value-added activities to acquire fixed assets, except real estate, and working capital. Loans will be made to individuals or registered entities, sole proprietorship, partnership or registered company. 5. If you are party promoter, you can benefit from the Biz Events loans for micro-entrepreneurs. The Jamaica National Small Business Loan, JNSBL, is a specially tailored loan to assist micro-entrepreneurs to capitalize on seasonal opportunities for revenue generation. The maximum loan amount of $250,000 repayable over 10 weeks. BizGrow Loan. The Jamaica National Small Business Loan, JNSBL, has designed this loan facility for accessibility to micro and small businesses operating at the minimum 6 months. The funds accessed can be used to improve, enhance and expand businesses by purchasing tools, equipment, raw materials, stocks and/or any other business purpose. 7. Climate Smart Loan. The Climate Change Loan Program by the Jamaica National Small Business Loan, JNSBL, provides loan financing of between $200,000 to $5 million for climate change adaptation activities and the project's viability. Financing is also geared towards energy efficiency techniques, e.g. use of greenhouse farming, flood control techniques, drip irrigation systems, solar systems, rainwater harvesting systems, greenhouse gas energy reduction systems. Ignite Program. The innovative grant from new ideas to entrepreneurship, Ignite program was developed by the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, to aid the accelerated growth of a group of innovative business ventures by micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs. The grant is available to startup MSMEs, 2 years and younger, and companies that are older but are going through a process of innovation that enables them access to a maximum of $4 million Jamaican dollars in grant funding. 9. Voucher for Technical Assistance, VTA. The VTA is a capacity development product designed to assist MSMEs in closing management gaps, thereby enhancing their ability to access financial support from approved FIs. Since its inception in May 2014, several SMEs have benefited from this facility, resulting in $103.8 million Jamaican dollars in loans as at November 2015. 10. SME loan under the Foundations for Competitiveness and Growth Project, FCGP, for SMEs. Your business has to be around for at least 10 years to get this one. * Partial Credit Guarantee Enhancement Facility. Asterisk the Credit Enhancement Facility, CEF, gives a helping hand to small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. It is expected that this facility will reduce the risk of lending to MSMEs by supplementing available collateral to meet the financial institution's lending requirements. Allows viable MSMEs to access credit for expansion. The CEF targets viable MSMEs in all economic sectors, based on the GOJ definition of the MSME sector, as well as startups. MSMEs must be tax compliant, have good credit history, and be in business for at least 12 months.